Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 999. Wow, a big dream for every motorcycle lover. Royal Field. Wow, a big dream for every motorcycle lovers. For 118 years now and counting, Royal Enfield continues deliver a pure motorcycling experience, starting out at a red ditch in the United Kingdom to its present day home in Chennai. The world's oldest motorcycling company in the continuous production treats rider, road, and motorcycle as one with every machine it builds. The company of Royal Enfield Eicher Motorcycle Limited claims that it is the design in UK. It has shameless integration, rigorous testing has been done, provision of genuine accessories and assured warranty of 2 years, but the company is also providing the saying all the glitters is not gold and barking dogs slimmed bite. MSSG Automobiles 22 GT Road, West Asansol, the authorized showroom having its branch at Roopnarayanpur, filed to the provide Motor 350 Super Nova motorcycle to one of its customer till date. Being aggravated, the customer cancelled the agreement and appealed for refund. 10,000 rupees was deposited on 25th May 2021, against which receipt number 2557 dated 25 May 2020 was issued as per terms within 120 to 125 days. They promised the delivery. This was also proclaimed by the staff, Mr. Chandan Roy of the showroom, that without any cultivate in the amount and without paying any interest to the customer, the advance amount is refundable at once. Famous educationist, social worker, human rights activist, and West Bengal State President Right to Information Activities Associations Dr. Chandrasekhar Datta, who is not devoid of any new recognition in the field of RTI, has told that till date the has not been returned rupees 10,000 which was taken as advance. Dr. Datta also informed that rapidly he has made phone calls to Mr. Chandan Roy staff of Messrs. SG Automobiles Rupnarayanpur branch and also visited the Asansol showroom at 22 GT Road, Asansol. Asansol. Dr. Datta also revealed that he will move to the consumer court and each and every concerned legal and administrative authorities for such type of cheating in India. The company has certainly cancelled such advance amount from many customers, but if the company failed to provide motorcycles on time, it is an offense. The saddest pitching point on the topic is that the agencies are not providing proper response to the customers, rather harassing them, which is a very bad game, and certainly it will affect the name, fame, and prestige of the company. Eicher Motors Limited, manufacturers of Royal Enfield in the Cosmos market. When a consumer enters the showroom, he is given a very VIP treatment, but just after booking, the customer has to run behind. Dr. Datta confirmed that the cash amount rupees 10,000 advance has collected by Mr. Chandan Roy staff of MS SG Automobiles by visiting Dr. Datta's residence. Morning showroom the day so when they at the time of repurchase the purchase, this is the condition what will be the condition later on the during maintenance of the vehicle. Many times even no response given by Mr. Chandan Roy, staff of Messrs SG Automobiles. The world marks 8 days on December 1. The world marks 8 days on December 1 to highlight the work done to the element the epidemic. The day is also observed to extend support to those who have to live with the life-threatening condition caused by the human virus HIV. The first World AIDS Day has observed in 1988. HIV remains a major public health issue that affects millions of people across the world. The virus attacks the immune system and reduces its resistance to other diseases, thereby putting the life of the patient at risk. World AIDS Day history and significance. As per the World Health Organization WHO latest data, 3.77 crore people were living with AIDS in 2020. Though the world has made a significant progress since the virus was first discovered in 1984. WHO said important targets for 2020 were not met. The WHO added that division, dysentery, and disregard for human rights are some of the major failures that allow HIV to become and remain a global health crisis. The situation has been exacerbated by COVID-19, making the lives of many people living with HIV more challenging. World AIDS Day is important because it's remind people that HIV virus is very much prevalent among us, and we need to remain vigilant against it. This day helps remind the people in authority that there is still a vital need to raise awareness and money, fight prejudice, and educate people about it and inequalities. And AIDS is the theme of the World AIDS Day 2021. Who and WHO and its partner organization are highlighting the needs for a special focus on reaching people left behind. It is calling on global leaders to rally to end inequities that drive AIDS. Kolkata Rohit Mankar according big gift to Hindi speaking student studying in B.Ed. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has given a big gift to the Hindi speaking students studying in B.Ed in the West Bengal. He is also allowed to write answer in Hindi. The Joint Secretary of the State Department of Higher Education University branch has issued instruction in this regard on November 30. It has been directed to be implemented from education season 2021 to 2023. There is a wave of happiness among Hindi speakers with the fulfillment of this much awaited demands of Hindi speaking students. Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate has come up with the innovative plan for traffic awareness. Asansol Durgapur Police plan to raise the traffic awareness in Asansol industrial area started on Wednesday. Helmets should be used in the plan, especially when the driving a two-wheeler, as it will focus on raising awareness. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 7047456855. Call on this number. Mahua. Durgapur Rohit Mahankar according Durgapur probably this is the largest mass wedding in the East Bardhaman district. A total of 101 couples tied the knot last night at the premises of Kalyaneshwari Kali Mandir in Bardhaman. He started it when he was a counselor. It is the eighth year. 15 of them are Muslims, one Christian, the rest are all Hindus. They got married according to the rules of their own religion. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Lakshmi Kumari Sahu, age 14 years, a minor living a new Kapali Basti on Sonari police station area, missing from month. Even after registering the case in Sonari police station, the police have not been able to trace the minor. Parents are worried about something unexpected. Both of them are crying and they are in bad condition. According to the father Mukesh Sahu, his daughter had left home on November 1 to go to the school. She did not return after that. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. New variant Omicron Corona by Chief Secretary of the State. In the view of the night restriction in the state have been extended till December 15. On the other hand, in view of a new variant of Corona Omicron, it has been instructed to strictly follow the guidelines regarding Corona. All kinds of outdoor activities will be stopped from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. There will be a restriction on movement of people and vehicles except for essential service. Mask, social distance, cleanliness protocol must be followed in public places. Complete vaccination of personnel in all offices has been instructed to follow safety rules related to corona. If found violating these, action will be taken under Disaster Management Act. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830325/70019672798617659 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Clear December 1. After being closed for several months, the gate of Bamani Jharna in Ayodhya was opened for tourists on Wednesday. According to the Bagmundi Forest Department, the gate of Bamani Jharna was opened on this day in the presence of many officials of the department along with the locals. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Trulia working editor Vikas Prasad. Past 6 years, there is a no transfer of more than 3,000 bicycles sent by state government. Sabuj Sathi project in Purulia district. The search for where a large number of bicycle went has been started from the administrative level. District administration officials have started verifying the number of students from all the high school in the district who have received bicycle from TIC in the last 6 years. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Employees in DRM Asansol police were paid on date. Asansol 30 November 2021 on date payment program was organized in the new meeting room of Divisional Railway Manager Office Asansol, Mr. Parmanand Sarma. Division Railway Manager Eastern Railway Asansol has given us settlement PPO settlement details and retired employees liberal health scheme to the windows of 46 retired employees. Deceased employees 33 of whom were general retirees who were present. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Santodia on World AIDS Day, a rally was taken out from ECL Santodia Hospital to ECL headquarters on Wednesday toward Mission Rainbow. The rally was inaugurated by ECL CMD Prem Sagar Mishra by inflating a balloon. According to the information, the rally was held on World AIDS Day. This was followed by Nook play at the headquarters, giving many suggestions on how to prevent AIDS.
अंगुली नहीं आएगा मैडम, ड्रोन लगाना
till now due to the dual pandemic of COVID and AIDS. But AIDS and HIV did not stop during these 2 years. There were new infections, around 7,000 new infections were detected in 2019. That comes to around 190 infections per day and 8 infections every hour. The signs and symptoms of HIV are long-standing fever, unexplained significant weight loss.
आज ECL में मिशन इंद्रधनुष के अंतर्गत और आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव के अंतर्गत वर्ल्ड एड्स डे मनाया गया, जिसका थीम रहा एंड इनइक्वालिटीज़ एंड एड्स। हमने इसमें एक अवेयरनेस जनरेशन के लिए नुक्कड़ नाटक प्रेजेंट करवाया है एंड हमारे मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर अरिजीत बैनर्जी ने अपने मेडिकल टॉक में अवेयरनेस रिगार्डिंग द अपकमिंग स्ट्रेन ऑफ कोविड एंड एड्स रिलेटेड जो जानकारियां हैं, जो बचाव की जो सिम्टम्स हैं और कैसे हम उनसे एकजुट होकर के लड़ सकते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी दी, अवेयर कराया। ये सारा प्रोग्राम हमारे ECL बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के बीच हुआ और हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हम ये प्रोग्राम एक अच्छे तरीके से।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Presenting SMS of News Moment, a passionate reunion. Neither of them expected a danger even she couldn't have predicted. To survive, they need some. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.